SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to disable back tap on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you had previously configured the back tap feature on your iPhone to do something like launch the camera or open the flashlight, then you may have discovered that you're having trouble getting it to occur, or that you simply aren't using it as much as you had thought. For example, I have my back tap settings set up so that it would open the camera app, which you can do by just double tapping on the back of the phone. And as you can see, it's not always the most consistent thing. So if you aren't using back tap, or if it's not working the way that you had hoped, then you can disable back tap by opening the settings app. You can then scroll down and select the accessibility option. Then you can scroll down and choose touch in the physical and motor section of this menu. And then you can scroll all the way down and select back tap at the bottom of this screen. Now you can just choose whichever back tap setting you had enabled. I have double tap set up, so if you select that, then you can tap none at the top of this menu, which is going to turn off double tap. If you also had triple tap set up, then you can also go in and select that and choose none on the triple tap menu. And then once it looks like this, then the back tap setting has been disabled, so it's no longer going to activate when you double tap or triple tap on the back of your phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.